The Ministry of Education in Jamaica has said that by October 5, they are planning a phase reopening of schools. I took to Instagram and I went to the Observer's page where I just ran through the comments, and I found several of the comments that were very straightforward and true. So I visited the page again and we're going to go through some of these comments. We can see comments such as Bad Girl Cecile. We all know Cecile, popular entertainer, and she's even saying not sure if this is a good idea, which I totally agree. Dark chocolate, with the rising cases, we really have to open schools as it now stands with them 200 and 187 people. Alright, so can you believe it? Next comment, with the spike we are having in numbers, physical school isn't a good idea. I'll put a light beside this, totally agree. Many of these children live in homes with elderly persons or persons with health issues. This will expose both the students, teacher, and vulnerable individuals. Doing the temperature checks does not capture asymptomatic people. Totally agree. Trust me. Here this next one. Faval. Don't let your first act as minister be tainted by stupidity. I have to put a light beside this one. This next one. I am that Ali. I'm sorry, I'm not going. Oh no, I go sorry. Alright, put a light beside that one. Alright. Some people will want school to open so they can go dump their children and teacher. But I got news for some of you. Some of you are going to get seriously ill when those children bring home the virus. Don't you see how many parents dying leaving kids behind? Wanna go watch international news, please. Like. This next one. Nonsense. Stupidity. Like that one again. Still not send out mine. Straight. Face-to-face shouldn't be an option at this time. Remote learning is the best option right now. Totally agree with you. Queen Lisha 26. This next one. No matter how COVID-19 is trying to push us into a new era of digital technology, they still want to go backward to the classroom and school board. All they have to do is provide the necessary stuff to those in need, ensure internet access, and all the rest. Sigh. So, third world. Totally agree. Alright, hear this one now. Margaret Stewart. Please close schools until January. Trinidad do that? Totally agree. Kiss my teeth. School now go open, lady. Go sit down. Alright, put a light beside that. Alright, what the name now? Can't pronounce it. As some would have mad for send my child to go school. So much things to like. Wow, fancy name. You have a lot of children with comorbid conditions. Not only elderly people have challenges. What man, you know? I don't know, but I don't think they're thinking on that one. Totally agree with you. Please, our Prime Minister, don't open school now. Not a wise thing to do. School can't open in Jamaica now with such high case of corona. And this person say, my child will not be going to school until January. Serious. You don't wanna send my 4-year-old go nowhere casket there right now, and when you go to government, them not help you and homeschool her. Wow. Wow. Serious. Alright, who is this? Pink Angel. I know my 2 kids will be at school from home. Alright, I'll put a light beside that. Yes, inside on the net, care zeros. We'd hate Minister of Education. What to say? Yeah, right. So true. Stay home. Who else is there? If this virus continues to increase and deaths, economic issues will affect our lives, such as unemployment and increased poverty. We have to obey the rules and protocols. Let us work together to control the virus. Vaccines or medications won't be available until possibly 2 years' time. And yes, the thing is, for those who are old enough now, remember polio? I think it was 4 or 5 years until a suitable vaccine was made, So I don't understand how this rush, and we don't really know some of the side effects that will be seen. Alright. This first here now. No greater joy than seeing progress in an initial decision made. It's a win for me lately. I must say, deserves. I don't understand this. Don't understand. And a month after kids and teacher are sick, you close it back. My kids will be home. Totally agree. Alright, here normally, I'm a circle school about January or so. The rest of this year will not work for me. Straight. Rate that. Chelsea mommy, when you come take my pitney scenario go school now, must you think me I go make my pitney dead. Alright, I agree with you. Totally agree with you. Kerry _ Diva, me nah send my pitney them. Sorry. Totally agree with you, Kerry. Totally. I think if they are going to reopen school, they must look at the students that have underlying conditions that may put their life at risk, and also the household they are from. That's the thing, They might look upon risk assessment for the community where the school's in. And a community, physical community already, That I always say. Alright, so turn your yard, but send out the children. Makes a lot of sense. Boy, wish that we could have liked this 2 times. Alright, see there? 2 times. I am a stakeholder and I don't embrace it. Alright. Some of you come here talking crap, and I guess it's because you don't have a child. I will protect mine by all means. I prefer to have a dunce that's alive than a dead one. Boy, trust me. COVID really show you what is really important, Really show you what is important. Shelly, think me I gonna make you and Andrew kill my pitney. Then and for a homeschool. And that people don't realize, Andrew pitney the home, Andrew homeschool fee 2 pitney them from when. I went with farm government. About 2010, Andrew homeschool fee pitney. Yeah. What is now? This government think a dictatorship. We say no school until January 2021. Send out printed materials. The schools already collect school fees. What the hell is wrong with you, woman? Yo, my daughter is asthmatic. She's at high risk of the thing. When she wears a face mask, she says she can't breathe, and that's the problem. We're not talking about the side effects of wearing masks for a prolonged period of time. Can someone tell the name of the site to sign up for homeschooling your child? Then don't know why you have to sign up for that. Alright, please don't open school. I'm so worried about sending my little one out. Straight, Kevin. Totally agree. There is no way my kids will be going to school. Okay, SMG kid, makes sense. School open and the year finished already. Totally. Alright, who is this? Kindness is a virtue. I see sickness kill people. I see lack of education kill them yet. I never see lack of education kill them yet. Alright, the one that bad. Alright, Vanny Blues. Impossible for school to open and the numbers are rising both in cases and deaths. One principal, well I should say vice principal, get it already, is doing what America did. They close school, they close some school now because of new cases. Yeah, man. Because remember, I think it was some schools in Georgia, they open, they have to lock it back. Same thing in France. They open it and have to close it. Quick. Alright, I have some good comments here, man. Some parents work out, yes, but some don't come in contact as much as the children. Kids, classroom, cafeterias, kids not following rules, and some of us students who are already on the verge of death. Miss is imperfection. Now I blame the government when we come home and we end up kill my grands and my nephew and probably myself. It was all worth it because we did have to pass my final exam. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can go further down. Exactly my point. We parents with small kids are feeling the crunch. I will say it again, to each his own. We are faced with different circumstances. You have to do what's best for you and yours. A lot of parents are not working. How them are going to pay internet and other bills? We'll go back to the first. Plus those. Hold on. Alright. A lot of us partying, shopping, working, doing business on the road will take the home the virus, the elders and our children. We behaving unruly and disobedient to rules and regulation. That is why the virus spiraled out of control. Plus those working out will have to pay someone to take care of their smaller child like myself. It is not easy on us parents. Then again, if schools close this term, when January come, you hear again school closes again. So school is the ultimate daycare. Look at this one now, community-centered learning. Some like the concept, yeah? I'll put a like to it. This could be something that could be explored, community-centered learning. Remember, not all parents have time to stay home with children, especially the small ones. Have you thought of spending time the internet? Okay. Alright, totally agree. What's happening here? Deal with it like how I would if I go to work, to the supermarket, etc., and contract corona. My point here isn't to convince anyone to see things that I do, just saying let everyone have their choice. Yes, Richard, let not your heart be troubled because coronavirus is a mind control game. Interesting. What's here now? Well, I will just continue to pay for online schooling. I'm not send my pitney out there if you get sick. None of them politicians, you nah put out for them pitney. Oh, me want to cut back pan some away. Me can cut back pan for pay it, kiss my teeth. Alright, so if you get the chance to go on Instagram, trust me, it's buzzing, especially on the Observer's site. And I'll just read one more. You guys are crazy. I am not sending my children to any school come October 5. Hold on, I have to sneak in one there. They should take the rest of 2020 and fast track their plans for equipping schools, all schools. I agree with technology. This includes internet and tablets. Going forward, school will be blended. Totally agree. Hence, we need to start reprogramming our minds in that way. Have Flow Jamaica and Digital Jamaica come up with a joint plan to have this done. While the government reducing the taxes levied on parents and these companies and is directly associated with schooling, educating our kids, why can Apple significantly reduce their prices for tablets for schools and kids? How? Let us think to solve this real issue and stop fooling ourselves and arguing about if schools should open or close. Make the changes and open schools in January. Boy, we could go on and on. As you can see, we could go on and on. And say a Bridging of mine a comment, when we hear Bridging say, out of curiosity, when January come and it's maybe 250 cases a day, then what? All of this mess is because we same one not taking precautions. So I end it there, and when you look at it, this discussion could go on and on, as you can see, but many persons are leaning to the fact that schools can open school and Fable and Andrew one go on to go learn for everybody. All because agreed. Oh boy. But guys, let's comment. I know this is a long one, and you can visit the site and leave your comments. Instagram, find the Observer page. Discussion is going very good, and this is what, some 15 hours now, so you can imagine when tomorrow, when more persons have all that time for join the discussion. So until we meet back here again, people, be good.